October 10th is the day when we celebrate the World Mental Health Day. And every year, the World Federation of Mental Health announces the theme which will carry the year through. This year, we have got the theme from them of mental health in an unequal world. Now, this is extremely significant, especially from the point of the way in which the COVID pandemic has devastated livelihoods as well as lives all through the world. We were already facing a severe difficulty in recognizing, in approaching, and in providing for mental health concerns even before the pandemic. And now, with the pandemic, the problems have increased tremendously. And in the developing world in which we are in, the estimate is that almost 75 to 90% of the affected population have no access to mental health services. Even in the developed world, the cost of accessing these services is prohibitive. So the question is that what we as homeopaths can do in order to fulfill this motto of the World Federation for Mental Health. And I think the picture is very, very clear. We as homeopaths, whether we are BHMS, whether we are MDs, or whether we are MD in homeopathic psychiatry, we are approaching each individual in a holistic way. And we try to understand the difficulties which both at the mental level as well as at the physical level our patients undergo. And therefore all of us are very, very clear that mental health is not what we discover through our ICD or through the DSM. Mental health is an all-encompassing reality. And as homeopaths, we are catering to all aspects of mental health, day in and day out. And now what we need to do to fulfill this mandate of the World Federation is to concentrate heavily on common mental disorders which all homeopaths are equipped to handle, and the serious mental health disorders for which our homeopathic psychiatrists have received a good training. And in a world where there is such a strong shortage of mental health professionals, I think as homeopaths we can do a great bit in order to alleviate the mental health distress in this world. So I would propose that all homeopaths, wherever we are, should come together and should renew our enthusiasm and our passion for bringing about holistic health in this world.